Hello, my name is Ishita Bharadwaj and I am presenting my project Zero, Google. So, this is my web page that I have designed for Google's web browser. So, the first specification is your website should have at least three pages, one for Google search, one for Google image search, and one for Google advanced search. And on the Google search page, there should be links in the upper right of the page to go to the image search or advanced search. One on each of the other two pages, there should be a link in the upper right to go back to Google search. As you can see, there are two links for image search and advanced search on the Google web page. And if I click on one of them, it takes me to that page, which and through which I can also come back to Google search page to the link at the top. Next is query text. On the Google search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click Google search, and be taken to the Google search results for that page. Like Google's own, your search bar should be centered with round corners. The search button should also be centered and should be beneath the search bar. As you can see, this is my search bar, this is my Google's web page, and these are the buttons Google search, and I am feeling lucky. So if I query a text, suppose if I query car and I do Google search, then it shows the same results that I would have gotten if I had normally searched on Google. Next up is query images. On the Google image search page, the user should be able to type in a query, click a search button, and be taken to the Google image search results for that page. So if I go to image search page and I type in my query as car and I click on image search, I'll be taken to the images section for my query. Next up is query advanced. On the Google advanced search page, the user should be able to provide input for the following four fields. All these words, this exact word or phrase, any of these words, and none of these words. Let's go to the advanced search page. And as you can see, all these words, suppose bookstore, any of these words like book, sorry, this exact word or phrase is book. Any of these words is Sapna Book House, and none of these words is movies. As you can see, it took in my query through all the four text boxes and gave me the result. Appearance. Like Google's own advanced search page, the four options should be stacked vertically and all of the text fields should be aligned, left aligned. Consistent with Google's own CSS, the advanced search button should be blue with white text. When the advanced search button is clicked, the user should be taken to search results page for their given query. As you can see that all of these fields are stacked one upon another and aligned, and the advanced search button is blue in color with white text. Lucky. Add an I'm feeling lucky button to the main Google search page. Consistent with Google's own behavior, clicking this link should take users directly to the first Google search result for the query, bypassing the normal results page. So on my Google search page, I have an I am feeling lucky button. So if I type in car and I click on I am feeling lucky, it first asks me, it sends me a notice saying that would I like to visit this website. And this is the first website that it searches from the Google search page. Aesthetics. The CSS you write should match Google's own aesthetics as best as possible. As you can see, all the aesthetics are in compliance with Google's own web page as far as possible. Thank you.